This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Gina Johnson. Seller offering $10,000 toward rate buy down. This beautiful home in Justin offers an open floor plan with elegant wood floors and an updated eat-in kitchen featuring quartz countertops, custom painted cabinetry, a spacious island with stainless steel appliances, and a large walk-in pantry. The private main floor primary suite includes walk-in closet, and ensuite bath with dual sinks, a jet tub, and a separate shower. The second level offers 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a versatile game room, perfect for leisure or entertainment. The fully renovated laundry room is equipped with ample cabinetry, a functional workspace, and designer wallpaper. The large, private backyard boasts a stained wood-covered patio, ideal for outdoor gatherings. Additional features include an extended driveway with ample parking for an RV or boat. Conveniently located near schools and shopping, this property offers a blend of small-town charm with modern conveniences. A must-see. For more information,